Are you tired of buying lint rollers over and over again and only getting so much use out of them before you have to throw them away and go to the store and get more? Well, if you're anything like me, I was tired of it, and me and my wife finally found the fix. This is the ChomChom roller. It's for pet hair, and it's a reusable lint roller. So we've had this for about a month now, and we've been putting it to the test, and it has not let us down. It is a very simple, lightweight, easy to use tool for cleaning up pet hair. Now, taking a closer look on the roller itself, it's almost like a soft Velcro type material on both sides of this roller. The way this works is you push back and forth, and when it's going back and forth, it cleans and contains the hair within the unit. When you're done collecting hair, go to the trash can, you hit this release button, it opens, and you can empty out all the goodies that you have collected. So let's go check this thing out, and I can show you how well this thing works. Now, before we get started, I want to show you that this is empty. Now, it may not look like it, but our cat loves to lay right here. You can't really see the hair, but if you sit down right here and you get up, all you have is orange cat hair on you. So to fix that, we use the ChomChom. You do this by pushing forward and retracting, pushing and retracting. Just like that. We'll clean this cushion. And let's see what's inside. Just like that, starting to collect hair. Now, this is our cat's second favorite place to lay. As you can see, there is still the hair from the first cushion in there. Now, if you just push forward like you did earlier, pull back. Let me look inside. Look at all the hair it's collecting. Now, to show you that it does work on clothing as well, you can see there is orange hair on these sweatpants of mine. If we take the ChomChom, pull it across, push, pull, push, pull. You can see hair is eliminated, and this is the leg we did not do. Just like that, the ChomChom takes it all away. Now, after all of that video right there, you can see how much hair we actually collected. This thing works great. I wouldn't say that it replaces lint rollers completely for clothing because it is hard to manipulate around corners. But for couch cushions, for blankets, for clothes, it does work. I would recommend this to anyone. It is an easy to use piece of equipment, and it does what it promises. So go check out the ChomChom Pet Hair Remover. It's reusable, it's easy to use, and I can't say anything negative about it. I hope this video helps you guys in your decision to check out the ChomChom.